Hey everybody, thanks for checking out Guaranty's website today. My name is Jason.Fairchild and I'm going to take you through this awesome Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen. This is the 2025 RBHL. So we're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. What a cool floor plan, you guys. Come on into the living area and see the layout of this. So we've got our theater seating across from your TV and your electric fireplace, so a good layout there. Great kitchen space here. We've got a large sink here with the strainer, so easy to get big items in there and get them clean. You've got the glass cover for the 3-burner stove. Nice Furrion oven here. Now, usually I don't brag about a bathroom too much, it's just a bathroom, but there's a lot going on in this bathroom. It's got amazing counter space. Most bathrooms don't have any counter space, any usable counter space really. This has got a lot of usable counter space. It's got 2 110 outlets and 2 USB outlets in there. Lots of cabinet space in here, drawers. You got good leg room around the toilet. And more cabinets over here, but this is what's so impressive is the room to get in and out of the shower. It's a very large shower. Also, the door to get into the bathroom is super wide. Anybody that has mobility issues, I have a mother that's in a wheelchair and this would be ideal for her. So this is a really good layout for getting through it. Even to the bedroom, again, we've got a huge door opening, larger than most. And you've got access right into the bed here. Got lots of storage above the bed. We've of course got storage down below the bed. It is on a hinge there, or a lift, so it's going to keep it up. Hands-free, you can be loading your stuff or taking your stuff out. There is a little cubby here, little nightstand on both sides of the bed here. There's 110 outlets and USB ports on both sides. You do have the door here for privacy. So that goes over the main features on the inside. Call for any questions on the inside. We're going to go over the exterior now. Oh, sorry, before we leave the inside, I cannot go without showing you this closet. What a good use of space. Can always use more storage. Okay. So everybody is loving the new steps that come with these trailers. Very, very stable, easy to get in and out of. Also a large grab handle. So 2 nice pluses that come with this trailer. You've got a large electric awning, runs almost the entire length. Very cool in the back. You've got this rack, great for loading firewood, coolers, chairs, bicycles, just great thing to have on your trailer. It is pre-wired for a backup camera. This is your water heater here. Your gray and black tank, or excuse me, your gray and black dump here. Got corner stabilizers, manual all the way around. Nice big slide. Look at this opening in the bay door here. So when you have an opening like this, opposed to some of the smaller competitors, you can get your big items here, and this is under the bed in the front of the trailer. It's a slam latch door, so when you're done, you just drop it and it shuts. Got a front cap to protect the trailer. Electric tongue jack as well. So again, this is a brand new 2020 Forest River Heritage Glen. It's a 25 RBHL. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to talk to you about this trailer or any other RVs we have in stock. Have a great day.